put it to good use. Pass. Looking for Savinho. De Bruyne's on it quickly. Get towards Haaland! And it's kept out by Henderson on the stretch. Erling Haaland in his 6th game at Wembley, looking to open his account. Just taking a look. Riley's very good in the air now, trying to find a block to get Haaland free. In the end was Guardiola.
Well, that was a better set play, Guardiola.
VAR call was a tight one against them, but this is more what they were doing. And here's Munoz, who was very involved then. Oh, it's exactly the same. Eze arrives on the scene, the same as the semi-final, the same as at City. And with their first blow struck in anger, Crystal Palace take the lead.
Goal scorer for Crystal Palace, number 10,
But this all comes about because Mateta holds the play up. When Crystal Palace go from back to front, which they did on that occasion, Mateta holds the play up. It allows others to join. Here it is, the bong ball played forward. Mateta does brilliantly just to hold it up, set the play up. Kamada with the return pass. Now they've got problems, Man City. And it's Munoz who plays a really good ball in, and what a finish from Eze. Times his run to perfection. He's picked out brilliantly.
So much of the game has been played thus far in this sort of area. Now Bernardo Silva going forward. Big shots by City for a penalty. Ten minutes to go to half-time. Been a lengthy delay. Here goes Marmoush. And it's saved by Henderson. Haaland following it up, and Henderson's there again. Brilliant work from the goalkeeper. The hero.
What a double save it is. It's not a great penalty, it's a nice height for the goalkeeper, but he chooses the right way. It's not right in the corner, and then Haaland's trying to play it back into Marmoush. You may well have been...
Doku, inside Munoz, couldn't touch him. It's an extraordinary reach by Henderson, but the danger's not clear yet. De Bruyne into the crowd, into the Palace crowd, and Palace still lead.
It's much better from Doku. This time he found himself in a 1v1 with a bit of space, and he goes past Munoz really easily. Excellent save from Henderson. This looked, we're right behind it, as if it was in. He pushes it up.
Put them under pressure again. There's some danger to it. It's forced in the end by Munoz. They didn't deal with the pressure. And Palace lead 2-0. The goalkeeper's view.
I think this, yeah, it hits him. It hits him.
It's going to be disallowed. Sarr offside, as you said, Stuart. The City fans that are cheering. This is the semi-automated system that's come into top-level English football this season. It's so short of space.